Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera crashing on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on camera app. After click on camera app and force stop camera app. After click on force stop, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again click on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. Click on camera app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all setting. Click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera crashing on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.